Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2013 BMW F700GS. This is BMW's mid-size adventure motorcycle. Has a 798cc parallel twin fuel injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. This bike has 17,754 miles on the odometer. This bike has ABS brakes, heated grips, engine guards, comes with the hand guards, BMW top case. The parallel twin 798cc engine runs very good, a lot of torque, nice upright seating position, and priced at only $64.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You reach that 408-730-0600.